Stand by for dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. Gabo draws for your lead. Missional in second. Knockout Babe moving up by the Real Conquistador. Mr. Integrity. Billionaria moving up. Then comes entry number 3. C. Senor, and trailing the group is Royal Jewels as they race at the last 800. Gabo by about 4 lengths. Missionel racing in second. Down in third is entry number 1. Knockout Babe. Then followed by Conquistador. Moving up now by the rail is entry number 2. And that's Billionaria as they race at the last 450 with a favorite, Gabo. This time by about 6 lengths, followed now by Knockout Babe in second, Missionel. Moving up by the rail fourth, Billionaria. And down the stretch they come. This one, Gabo. This time by about 6 lengths, Knockout Babe in second, and moving up by the rail is entry number 2, Billionaria. And with 50 meters of the race, it's all Gabo, Knockout Babe, Billionaria, Conquistador, and Royal Jewels for your Pentafecta.
Okay, this one didn't disappoint. It's Backers Gabo.